Hello everyone, welcome to Master Rover. In Year 5, Lesson 4, Chapter 1, we will talk about area of parallelogram. First, let's get a brief introduction of parallelograms. A parallelogram has 4 sides. Opposite sides are parallel and equal in length. This pair of sides, they are opposite to each other, parallel to each other, and equal in length. This pair of sides, they are opposite to each other, parallel to each other, and equal in length. For a parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. So angle A, they are opposite to each other and equals to each other. Angle B and angle B, they are opposite to each other and equals to each other. Meanwhile, angle A plus angle B equals to 180 degrees. It's important for the further learning of parallelogram, so it deserves to remember. Now, the key point of this chapter, area of parallelogram. Area of parallelogram equals to a base times the height on this base. If we use this side as a base, the line which across with this base in a right angle is called the height on this base, and area of parallelogram equals to a base times the height on this base. We will explain a bit more about this point later in this chapter. By the way, the perimeter of parallelogram. Perimeter of parallelogram equals to the total length of 4 sides. And because opposite sides are equal in length, so finally perimeter of parallelogram can be written as 2 times the sum of side 1 and side 2. Now I would like to explain a bit more about area of parallelogram. Below we have 2 parallelograms, A, B, C, D. They are exactly the same. Let's look at the first parallelogram. If we use DC as base 1, the line which across with base 1 in a right angle is called height 1. And area ABCD equals to base 1 times height 1. Or we can use the opposite side AB as base 1. And the line which across with base 1 in right angle can also be called height 1. Still, area ABCD equals to base 1 times height 1. Now, if we draw another line which across with base 2 in a right angle, this line can be called height 2. So can we say area ABCD equals to base 1 times height 2? No. Area of parallelogram equals to a base times the height on this base. So, base 1 times height 1. Correct. Base 1 times height 2. Wrong. The second parallelogram. If we use AD as base 2, the line which across with base 2 in right angle is called height 2. Area ABCD equals to base 2 times height 2. Or we can use the opposite side BC as base 2. And the line which across with base 2 in right angle can also be called height 2. Again, area ABCD equals to base 2 times height 2. And if we draw another line which across with base 1 in a right angle, this line can be called height 1. Can we say area ABCD equals to base 2 times height 1? No. Again, please let me repeat one more time. Area of parallelogram equals to a base times the height on this base. So, base 2 times height 2, correct. Base 2 times height 1, wrong. Wonderful. That's all about area of parallelogram I would like to share with you in Chapter 1. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in Chapter 2. See you.